Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel Lenonje Beauty. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve stunning half knotless twist braids combined with sleek fitting braids at the front. I am very focused on creating clean, precise paddings. This will help me achieve the best look for my braids. I have already completed the first row. As you can see, it is looking neat and flawless. I will now divide the hair into small sections according to the number of braids in this row. This helps speed up the process as I won't need to section the hair for each braid individually. Moving on to the next step, I start by sectioning a small portion of hair and dividing it into 3 strands. Next, I will feed in the extensions or braids. I'm going to add 2 pieces. I braid 3 to 4 times. Then divide the middle section of hair and add another piece of braid or extension. Finally, I will twist the grip tightly and continue braiding. To maintain clean and precise lines, I apply a bit of gel before parting the next row. I make sure the sections match the size of the previous braids for a uniform look. Then I repeat the same technique, working row by row until the first half of the style is complete. Stay tuned as we continue creating this beautiful look. I have started working on the front part with the feeding braids. Let me know in the comment section if you'd like a full tutorial on this stylish feeding braid technique. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment in the comment section. Once I finish the feeding braids, I divide the strands and twist down to secure the grip at the ends. After that, I apply mousse foam and a favorite hair oil to set the style and add shine. And here is the final look. Isn't it stunning? Thank you for watching, and I wish you all a happy and blessed new